So what is the current situation? We have an price development that is caused by a supply shortage. And the supply shortage will also take some time to be fully reconciled. This has also the danger, and actually it's not a danger, it's a reality right now, to crash demand. The idea is that you use this energy, that you need to use energy to dry what you made wet, and that you use the residual energy to heat up the drying process, the washing process, and other processes in the plant. It comes to Europe, where we have a warm summer and a cold winter, then the few months where you use the energy for heating, it just doesn't pay back. And selling it to a third party, that's a special case. I've tried it twice and I failed twice. Then renewables. I think that it's good and nice if you want to do an solar, want to add solar panels on your roof, but then you should do it with contracting and let someone invest into your power plant at the roof, because you need the money for your business. And I really urge everybody to be conservative with the money right now, because we will get a very hard time with financing. So if you have renewables and you have a project there and the return of investment is within 7, 8 or 12 years or 15 years, forget it. Let someone else invest into this and just be satisfied with a lower profit margin there. That's my personal opinion when it comes. And the question is, when you're an entrepreneur, when you're an executive, whether the energy is really your top priority. Your top priority is probably the customers, the market success, the labor costs and HR and financing and stuff, but not energy. And you need to get 1 or 2 or 3 persons that make energy their top priority. So you need to delegate it. I think that's really important. I've seen many laundry entrepreneurs who are really excessively thinking about energy consumption, and from my point of view, they're having the focus on the wrong part of their business. I think it's better if you have someone in the second line who takes really responsibility for energy, and support this guy, this lady with all your attention, and talk to them maybe once a week or whatever, and encourage them and give them money and resources and stuff, and also attention of other people, and they will make miracles. Yeah. So that's the point. So the summary is, on the one hand, reduce the impact of the energy price fluctuations by marketing, item design, pricing, energy purchasing and stuff. Have highly effective steam installation. I think that's really important. That's a low-hanging fruit most of the time. Then no additional energy for washing. That's possible, to have basically heat recovery from the drying process to the washing process, so that you have basically no need for new energy for washing. And to be very efficient in dewatering, so 35% could be a target there, and made here also the metrics, and engage your team. And if you do this, I would say then this is probably these are most important things that I would recommend. And of course, you can do it yourself. We can do it also together. And we have now a very good group of entrepreneurs online, and it works really good. And we do not talk about only about energy. It's also about marketing. It's about HR. It's about processes and stuff, and lean management. And we cooperate there, and we do it basically as a team, as you should do it also as a team at the plant level. And we have there an I call it now laundry survival kit. On the one, it's about routines on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. It's an online forum that we have and populate even more and more. That's an weekly Q&A, and also with an input, and then it's also individualization on the different topics of a plant, and we have also online courses. Yeah,